Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and you all need to stop struggling with dark sheds and off-grid spaces where running electricity is just too expensive or complicated, right? Maybe you have a shed that's just too far away from the house. Running power cables doesn't seem like logical because you'll run it over with the lawnmower. Who knows? But here's a solution for you all. This here is the solar shed light, and this is going to be a total game changer for anyone with a backyard shed, garage, or even a chicken coop. And what sets this one apart from other solar lights is that it has this omnidirectional 360-degree design that's going to light up your entire space with a 6500K daylight. So you aren't stuck in the dark and there's no creepy corners. This thing will light up and illuminate that entire space. One of my favorite features of this is that it has this dedicated solar system control box here with light indicators telling us that we're getting a charge. One, it's picking up the light in the room, so it's like the panel here, because it does come with that solar panel, and you can see the battery life and what mode we're on. So this will have 3 different modes. There's going to be a 6 to 8 hour mode, a 3 to 4 hour mode, or an auto mode. There's a little sensor here, so as you come in, it will turn on. But this comes with a simple pull string, so no remote included with this, because this will give you that pull string. This would be mounted. This would also be mounted. There's a hook. This would hang in the middle of the shed. And you can see here on our device, this is what I like about this, is that when I pull the string, I can see what I'm doing. I can see that I am on auto mode. I can see that I turned it off. I can see that it's on 6 to 8 hour on, 3 to 4 hours on, right there. And again, it's just a matter of pulling this string real quickly, which I really like, versus trying to hunt down a remote, or you could even lose a remote. Now you're going to get plenty of cable here. This is going to give you about a 16.5-foot cable to the solar panel, so plenty of room to get you onto the roof. This is going to be IP65 waterproof, so it handles snow and rain without a problem. So if you need a reliable, bright, look how bright this is. Actually, let me turn this off. Boom. And you want something easy to install that's going to give you a lighting solution that is going to be great for off-grid projects, then I highly recommend picking up this set. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review. This is going to be a massive difference in your workspace. Definitely check it out.